Alright, so what I did was this. While I was charging my phone, I was also working on the other, working on Jaaynah. And so I was able to get Jaaynah completely painted, and here she is painted. And I also added swords to her, give her sword and a spear, right, to match the picture, and so I completely painted her. I might missed a couple spots here and there, but it looks like she's like an older version of her younger self, And so you have Jaaynah riding the Stratosaurus, and then you have another Jaaynah in the back, and pretty much could be older Jaaynah. And this one is like really old Jaaynah, which is a lot of details. There you have her. It's amazing, right? This is pretty cool. And so this one's made an Instamorph. This is Instamorph, and has pretty much indestructible. It looks like this when you start, and then I painted it with the spots. Then you have an Instamorph as well. But this one here is made of air dry clay. Her weapons are Instamorph. I had to attach it, take it out of her hands. I had to put like a pencil there. Also, I put a piece of wood for her other hand. And so what happened was I was able to make her completely through clay, air dry clay. I really like her hair. I think her hair is really cool. Reminds me of like an older older version of herself. Move this out of the way here so I can rotate it. And then so what happens is like right there. Then you have older version of herself. Also like her feet. I think her feet are cool. See, there's a lot of I painted like all the little markings that she has. So the markings that are on this one are the same markings that are here, except for the way her dress is. Her dress is a little bit different. Her outfit, a little stomach there, and everything like that. And she can stand up on her own. She's fully standing. She has a paper armature inside of her, a paper taped armature inside of her. Not like That reminds me of my aunt, So here's one of my aunts. And so this is Jaaynah. This is Jaaynah, I guess, older version. And pretty much there you see her feet and everything like that. Here's her feet. Here's her looking. And it's pretty much she's made of clay. And I even painted her to give her earrings. Earrings are orange earrings. And her face is, serious face. She's like a serious warrior. A person out to do some serious work, And then so pretty much she has her sword ready. I made an Instamorph spear. And it's very lightweight and balanced. And she's standing balanced, ready to, mix it up. My next thing I was going to work on was a dinosaur. And so I'm going to kind of save that for another day. Because it's like right now I'm really tired and I have to do a lot of stuff I got to do in the morning. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll let you know. Maybe I'll do the dinosaur before I present this video. Maybe I'll just present this video and then do the dinosaur later. Here it is. Here's Jaaynah. My first actual sculpt using clay, using air dry clay. Last time I sculpted a Jaaynah and Stratosaurus, I used plasticine. But this here is plasticine clay. This one here is actually air dry. So maybe a little lipstick. I gave her some lipstick or something. Hold on a second, let me give her some. Okay, so I painted a little bit of lipstick on it, and that way she had look like a little bit more like a lady. And so pretty much she's a warrior ready to go. Remember when I just had a gray? Now it's all fully colored from head to toe. Really cool. My own sculpture. I'm gonna like pretty much put decoupage all over to keep it from cracking. But I just wanted to make sure I get this all first. So yeah, she has it. She ready to mix it up. Ready to mix it up. Alright. Have a good day. Talk to you soon.